Personal Finance Crash Course, Retirement Planning. Introduction. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of personal finance that allows individuals to secure their financial future and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle during their golden years. It involves setting financial goals, making strategic investments, and ensuring a steady income stream even after retirement. In this crash course, we will explore the importance of retirement planning, share interesting stories and examples, and provide you with the top 12 retirement planning techniques to help you build a solid foundation for your retirement. Section 1: The importance of retirement planning. Retirement planning is essential for several reasons. It enables individuals to achieve financial independence. Retirement planning ensures that you have enough funds to cover your living expenses when you no longer have a regular income from work. Maintain a comfortable lifestyle. By saving and investing wisely, you can enjoy a similar or even better lifestyle during retirement. Fulfill your dreams and goals. Retirement planning allows you to pursue your passions, travel, start a business, or engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Prepare for the unexpected. Retirement planning provides a safety net in case of unexpected medical expenses, emergencies, or other financial challenges. Leave a legacy. Proper planning ensures that you can pass on assets and wealth to your loved ones, supporting them even after you're gone. Section 2: Interesting Stories and Examples. To further illustrate the importance of retirement planning, here are a few stories and examples. The story of Sarah and John. Sarah and John were a married couple in their 40s. They had always dreamed of traveling the world after retirement. However, they hadn't focused on saving and investing for their future. As they approached their 60s, they realized they were far from being financially prepared for retirement. They had to significantly downsize their plans and make sacrifices to make ends meet. This story emphasizes the importance of starting early and having a well thought out retirement plan. The example of Robert. Robert, a diligent saver and investor, started contributing to his retirement accounts in his 20s. He consistently set aside a portion of his income and took advantage of employer matching contributions. By the time he retired, he had accumulated a substantial nest egg that allowed him to retire comfortably and pursue his hobbies without financial worries. This example demonstrates the power of consistent saving and long-term investment growth. Section 3: Top 12 Retirement Planning Techniques. Now let's explore the top 12 retirement planning techniques that can help you build a secure financial future. Set clear retirement goals. Determine your desired lifestyle, retirement age, and financial goals to create a roadmap for your retirement planning journey. Calculate retirement needs. Estimate your future expenses, including housing, healthcare, leisure activities, and emergencies, to determine how much you need to save. Start saving early. Time is your biggest asset when it comes to retirement planning. The earlier you start saving, the more time your investments have to grow. Maximize retirement accounts. Contribute the maximum allowed to retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or pension plans to take advantage of tax benefits and employer matches. Diversify investments. Spread your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to mitigate risk and optimize returns. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly review your investment portfolio, rebalance as needed, and make adjustments based on your risk tolerance and retirement timeline. Consider annuities. Annuities provide a guaranteed income stream during retirement, offering financial security and peace of mind. Plan for healthcare expenses. Research healthcare options and consider long-term care insurance to protect yourself from high medical costs during retirement. Minimize debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit cards and personal loans, to reduce financial burdens during retirement. Explore part-time work. Consider working part-time or taking on freelance projects during retirement to supplement your income and stay active. Evaluate Social Security benefits. Understand how Social Security works and strategize the best time to start claiming benefits to maximize your monthly payments. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor or retirement planner who can provide personalized guidance and help you make informed decisions. Section 4, Summary. Retirement planning is a critical aspect of personal finance that allows individuals to secure their financial future and enjoy a comfortable lifestyle during retirement. By setting clear goals, saving early and consistently, diversifying investments, and considering various retirement planning techniques, you can build a solid foundation for your retirement. Remember the stories of Sarah and John, who faced challenges due to inadequate planning, and Robert, who enjoyed a comfortable retirement through diligent saving and investing. These examples highlight the importance of starting early, having a well thought out plan, and making informed financial decisions. In conclusion, retirement planning is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It requires careful consideration of your financial goals, lifestyle aspirations, and risk tolerance. By implementing the top 12 retirement planning techniques outlined in this crash course, you can take proactive steps towards securing a financially stable and fulfilling retirement. Poem, A Journey to Retirement. In the realm of dreams, where golden sunsets gleam, a journey awaits, beyond the hustle and scheme. It's a path to retirement, where worries subside, and the warmth of contentment becomes our guide. We start with a vision, a goal to behold, to live our best lives, as we grow old. Setting clear intentions, with a heart full of fire, we embark on this journey, fueled by desire. We save and we invest, with every passing year, planting seeds of abundance, erasing doubt and fear. The power of compounding, like a gentle breeze, grows our wealth steadily, among the towering trees. We diversify our assets, like a painter's brush, creating a masterpiece, with every strategic rush. Stocks, bonds, and real estate, a symphony of choice, balancing risk and reward, with a discerning voice. Healthcare we consider, a shield against the unknown, preparing for challenges, with a safety net of stone. We minimize debt, like shedding heavy chains, freeing ourselves from burdens, as freedom reigns. Social security we navigate, a bridge of support, timing our steps, for benefits we may consort. And in the midst of it all, we seek wisdom's grace, consulting advisors, who guide us in this race. The road may be winding, with twists and turns, but we face them with courage, as the fire within us burns. For retirement is not an end, but a new beginning, a chapter of fulfillment, where dreams find their singing. So let us embrace this journey, with hope in our hearts. With each step we take, a brighter future imparts. Together we build, a legacy so grand. In the realm of retirement, hand in hand. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.